How to turn off product news notifications on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off product news notifications on Spotify. First, you go to Spotify and then click here on this icon, and now click you need to find notifications. Go down, 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 down. This one, click on it, and then click this one, product news, and then turn this one off, and after that turn this one off if you don't need email notifications. And that's how to turn off product news notifications on Spotify. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.